Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Aster and Turtle Creek in Dallas, Texas. We're at their model. We're gonna do a super quick walkthrough. So get ready, this is gonna be a big time quick walkthrough. So we're starting actually at this time at the master bedroom, that's here. This is what it looks like. It's the one closest to the door, super pretty. Here is the closet's gorgeous. It's definitely got a lot of storage space. So much to see here. It's super pretty. Here's the bathroom. The bathroom's adorable. A lot of, I love the dual sinks and just the mirrors, everything. Here's more of the master that's here. And then we're gonna walk here. Just try not to go too fast, but I want to keep this quick because it's a quick walkthrough. Here's a utility room, washer dry is included. Here is the second bathroom. The bathroom is adorable too. Very pretty, gorgeous, gorgeous bathroom. Here is the second bedroom. This bedroom's adorable too. Look at it. It's just, I love the white of the wall, and I love the desk that has the desk area that's there. Super, super cute. I love these windows here too. There's two closets also that are here. And then finally, here is the spectacular space out here. Just gorgeous, beautiful. All these windows that are here, just adorable. Feels so great in here. You're gonna love it. It just feels like a high-rise experience. You've got a masterfully large island. Everything's included here in the kitchen that you need to. This is what it looks like with the quick walkthrough at the Aster Turtle Creek 2-bedroom. Hey, if you'd like to take a quick tour, I recommend to go over Zoom actually. And we can do a live Zoom tour anytime for you. Or we can do in person as well. So send a text to the number below and request it. Just say, hey, I want to set up a free Zoom tour, or I'd just like to say hi to you and just ask you more questions about the Aster. I'd be happy to help you with that right away. Send me that text. I look forward to hearing from you.